Hello children, today we are going to learn birds' name in English and Tamil. Do you know what is the first bird? The first bird is hen. Koli. Hen produce meat and egg for us. Just watch the video of hen. Okay, let's move to the second bird. The second bird is turkey. Koli. Turkeys have excellent eyesight. Just watch the video of a turkey bird. Do you know what is the next bird? The next bird is pigeon. Pura. Do you know pigeons have a marked sense? Just watch the video of a pigeon. Do you know what is the next bird? The next bird is crow. Do you know what is the next bird? The next bird is owl. Do you know owls are active at night and they kill other owls for its food. Do you know what is the next bird? The next bird is sparrow. Chittukuruvi. Do you know there are 20 types of sparrow in the world? Just watch the video of the sparrow eating its grass. Do you know what is the next bird? The next bird is peacock. Mayil. Do you know peacock is the national bird of India? And a peacock average lifespan in the wild is 20 years. Just watch the video of a peacock. Do you know what is the next bird? The next bird is parrot. Kili. Parrot is in green color and it have a red colored beak. Parrot loves to eat fruits. Just watch the video of a parrot eating corn.